Hey man, say man, it's your boy the 15 Ward Stunner. I'm coming to you live from Houston, man, Texas. All right, y'all. The win streak has ended. Shit done hit the fan. It done got crazy. So let's get into it, man. Uh, just real quick off the top. I don't think I like the standalone strategy, man. Cause like that shit keep fucking over me, bro. Like I swear it do. So like I think off of me like passing my last phase, I think most of that was like off of just making plays on liquidity. But yeah, this shit is fucked up, man. And it's crazy because the dude who taught me the strategy, like I see him taking the trades on Instagram, but it's not even touching the fucking like his like the EMAs not even touching the price. So the EMAs are the lines or whatever. So the way that it's supposed to work is you wait for a cross down, right? Well, if you're trying to short, and the market had been looking bearish overnight or whatever, and so I'm looking for a short, right? When I'm looking for a short, so we got our reset to the downside. We got our blue line below our yellow. That's mean we gonna short. That's mean we trying to sell. And I like to enter on the 3 minute. Oh, and then we had confluence. So the blue was below the yellow on both the 3 minute and the 5 minute. So I entered on the 3 minute and got stopped out. That shit went a hundred something points past. Now that probably should have been my indication to not short for the day. Definitely gonna use that as a reference going forward. But yeah. So I lost that one, and so what I wanted to do was let me delete all these because I don't even know what these are for real. Um, I know what those are. That's lunch and stuff. So what I did was before starting, I wanted to get the PM session highs and the PM session lows. So this is the PM session high. That one. Well, let me just delete that so it ain't confusing. And this was the PM session low. All right. So we had those in place. So yeah, we had to run up into the PM session highs from yesterday. Um and we came back below them. I was like, all right, this is my chance to go short. So I waited for price to come because I think I actually made the decision on the I was looking at it on the 1 minute because I think that was the first one that presented itself. Yeah. So I wanted to enter on this fair value gap on the 1 minute. Bam. And that was that. Uh, but I had seen that it had made a fair value gap on the 5 minute too. So yeah. So I could really just stretch this out. And so the way that it worked was I had one position at 811 because that was the fair value gap on the 1 minute. I was targeting sell side liquidity, from what is that? That was yesterday's. That was the PM session low, so that was also liquidity up underneath there. Didn't get it though. But yeah. So yeah, 5 minute, and I was like, okay, this ain't too bad. This is a 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. I like that. So I hopped into the trade and ended up not going my way, probably because of how strong the leg was. And yeah, we didn't get any strong moves back down below that liquidity. So I was like, I'm gonna just wait and see how lunch play out. So yeah, those first two plays are where I lost like five. I lost $600 off those trades. Well, I lost $600 on one account, and I lost 2244, like five something on this one. Uh, so yeah, man. Yeah, I should have knew something was up though when I seen the Aristo, like how many points I was gonna be able to get. Like I should have known that it probably wasn't gonna be realistic because it was 123 points, man. I was only like, and it was like I had like a 20-point stop loss. I was like, cool. And the 20-point stop loss is actually why I ended up over leveraging because I was just like, I want to risk like 250 something around in that area to try to get it. Because if I would have hit, man, I would have hit for $1,200, and I would have basically been done with the challenge. Could have been done in the first 5 days or whatever. But of course, that's not how the cards played out, whatever you call them. But yeah, so that was my morning session. Wasn't a whole lot for me there. So I could delete that. Yeah, we did get one reach back into there, and I want to say what was that for? Maybe that was a yeah, that was a breaker block because we had just closed above. Yeah, this candle right here is the one that closed above. It reached back below for the breaker block. Actually, it reached a little back further too. But yeah, man. I'm actually kind of curious to see if this worked like that. Did this work? Oh wow! Look, one of the few days that the Fibonacci's actually worked on US 30. Very very interesting. Okay, cool. So yeah, that was my morning session, and then I was like, all right, I'm about to try to look for a liquidity move on the what you call it, on the during the lunch session. You got 11 o'clock. This was the low. This was the low, and it was still going at 12:30. What is it? 12:30. And this is the high. So I was like, I did actually kind of enter this trade kind of early, but I just didn't get burnt. So it ended up working out cool. But I mean, I only risked enough to where I would be able to get burnt without breaching the daily limit for the day. I just wanted to try to get some of my money back, which I did. I got a little $100 back. Like that, like shit like that actually ends up making a difference. But yeah, so I basically tried to do the same play again in the afternoon. I was like, we got a run above this high, but it's starting to kind of stall. We had got a fair value gap. After bearish fair value gap after running this running the buy side liquidity on or during lunch. So I entered I entered within this fair value gap. I placed my stops up above there. I had a 20-point stop loss, and I was only able to get what I cashed out at like so little 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. But I planned on it going all the way down to ooh, I planned on it going all the way down to here and then possibly going back up, but yeah, didn't get it. But yeah, so that's that. That was my day in trading. Kind of definitely a shitty day, but you gonna have those, man. It is what it is. But yeah, man, I don't know. I don't know about that fucking like. I think I'm a only because I peeped that my other mentor that showed me that strategy. He normally like he already be done like by the time 7, 8 o'clock in the morning come around. So he be getting a lot of his moves in the pre market hours or whatever. But a lot of the time I be sleep because I be trading the London session with the with the Euro USD. Um, but yeah, man. Oh yeah, I also didn't trade Euro USD last night because I ended up falling asleep, man. It was good though. My trade plan was was about to work. Which one was it? Okay, so yeah, it was this one. Yeah, so originally what I wanted to do was I wanted to do cause this was the leg, like this is the big leg that broke around the time where I started looking at the market. I was like bam, and I drew it all the way up to here. Could not get into into the optimal trade entry between 0.62 and 0.79 of the move that broke market structure. And so we ended up breaking structure again to the upside. So I drew this. I drew that. But I ended up falling asleep, so I didn't even get in on that one. But as you can see, that one worked out nice. Yeah, I probably would have entered up to 62 since this was a second breakout that we had, and it was a nice little solid, decent one. And got 500 points off of that move. That's crazy. I definitely wouldn't have did that though. What I would have did, I would have well, what's closer? So from here, 100 points is right there. And where he at? Gee, I probably would have been all out at 500 to be honest. Can't even cap. But yeah, we just been going up and up and up. So yeah. Yeah, so I would have did a little two lot size, take half off, and let's let the rest run. And I probably would have been. I ain't gonna lie. I would have been done by 500. I wouldn't have wanted nothing more than that. So 243, 243 plus another 100. So that would have been $343, man. Little $343 move last night, but I was way too tired, boy. I just wanted to. I was just in my bed laying down. I was trying to stay up, man. I went and got something to eat too. Couldn't do it though. But yeah, man. Not wasn't a great day today. Oh, but yeah. Let me tell you a little bit about my life. Yeah, so today I heard back from the rental assistance people. They told me to go talk to my leasing office about these little things. Like there was like uh the application that I sent them, it wasn't matching up with like with what was on my lease or whatever. And they was like, go talk to them and try to go get them to do that, and sent that in. And also, your boy has a potential financial advisor position that I'm about to be applying for that I'm about to be interviewing for on Friday. It really don't pay a whole lot, but it's gonna pay enough for me to keep the lights on or whatever. But I'm not tripping. Like as long as it's not too crazy and I'm still able to do my trading, at least one of these sessions, like I want to be able to trade either London or what is it? London or the New York session. It is an in office job though, but yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's about it. Um, I will talk to y'all tomorrow. I kind of want this shit to pump up since I sold it, but I'm not quite sure that it will. But looking at this fair value gap, it is looking like it'll keep going up. But yeah, I didn't want to sell it. I really wanted it to hit my TP, man. That would have took at least one of those bad trades away that I took today. But it is what it is. All right. I'm done talking. I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow, man. Peace.